Hello guys, welcome to the another video, and today I'm gonna be presenting the calendar view in Jira software. Yes, that is correct. So we actually had lists that were actually involved in the Jira software. That was actually a feature that was taken from the Jira work management, and now we have the calendar view. Now, for some of you, it is probably not available because this is yet in the beta development. So yeah, just for you to know. Oh, by the way, also I'm preparing the Udemy course that will be based on the Jira administration. So stay tuned for that. All right, so let's jump to the calendar view. So if we actually take the calendar view, you're actually going to see all of the possible issues that can be added. So what this actually means is if uh, if I try to go for more, I can actually see, right, actual end within the last, let's say, within the last 2 days update. So actually there is nothing in here because, well, nothing was really updated. I don't have it in here. Maybe the better actual view is gonna be here. Alright, so it's not even showing for these ones. Okay, let's do it like this. Alright, let's do it like this. I'm gonna say calendar. For issue, it's not visible. Alright, it's not visible. I know because it's in the backlog. So now it is. So I don't have anything for today. So now if I go for the tasks, so now what I can actually do is basically I can add people in here. So also I can go for the statuses. I can also go for the types as well. I can go for the assignee. I can actually add more filters in here. I can go with the description, and I can begin typing. So that is one of the that's one option. Then I have like to search by attachment. I need to change to JQL. So should be familiar with the JQL. For comments, also when you begin typing, what it means to begin typing in here is basically to actually see for the comments for the text that you actually have typed in. So that is the whole point of selecting and checking this out. Right, so for the components, you can also look for the components as well, but I have no components selected, so probably I'm gonna leave this. So for today, basically there is nothing. And if you start clicking around, you cannot really do anything. You cannot like make or create a new issue or something. But what I can do here, so let's see. Okay, original estimate and everything in here. So releases, I'm gonna go say due date. Question is it's by the default, and it's associated with this issue. Okay, so the original estimate, this is like for how this is like the estimated minutes. So I don't want that. So I also have the story points in here. I have the original estimate. Okay, this is understandable. Okay, let me just do it like this. Let me just do it like this. All right, show your fields. Okay, custom fields. Let me see. All right, due date field screen. All right, so this is why it's not showing. Okay, I need to add it. Okay, and there we go now. Okay, if you go to create now we have the due date. I'm gonna say the due date is gonna be the next week. I'm gonna say calendar 1. Now, if I go to my backlog, if I move it here, go back, voila, this is what we have. So it's really important to mention that calendar gets useful, the calendar view gets useful when you use the due date field, or it can have the option of start date, right? So I can also add the start date. It will also appear here as well. So this is the due date that I have, right? And when I click on this, it's gonna bring me to the view screen. So now what I can actually do is I can say, well, I want this type of a story. Now for the type of a story, it's gonna list these out, right? And well, it's only one in here, so it's not gonna be like sorting out. If I was creating another one, for example, if I was creating another one where I was saying calendar 2, and for the calendar 2, I'm gonna say the due date is gonna be next Thursday. I'm gonna save this, and then I go back to the calendar view and I go for story. Now it's gonna filter out only the story. And now when I get it back, it's actually here as well. So now if I want to go with the status of a backlog, it's not showing anything, because right here this is in the status of selected for development. So if I go the status selected for development, it's going to be showing them. And if I go task, so I'm going to be showing this one. So it's a really handful. It's a really handful feature that you know when something comes up with the dates. So in this case, I was showing you the due date. You can actually test this with the start date as well, but this was with the due date, and the start date, it's actually the similar one. And yeah, basically that is everything you need to know about this feature. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.